Because there was a massive earthquake tsunami here, and we're going to check out what the damage was and see what they're doing to prevent the So far we've been in the incinerator experience of when the Kobe earthquake struck, and it was very insightful to really experience it, more so than the actual artifacts, which are great because it shows all the photos, but to really have that experience of it pitch black and all the shaking, and it was a great insight, and I'm very much looking forward to the talk with a survivor because I think that will make it more personal.
私たちはこの震災で何を反省したか、何を学んだかと言いますと、私たちは25年前、非常に弱い町を、弱い都市を作っておったということです。
What I learned from this experience is that 25 years ago we had a very weak city.
About 10 seconds. Water coming up, and this house completely submerged, no more use. This building also the damage. Only this house is survived, barely survived because of this measure here.